Back row attack. And there's a rejection kick. There's a set by Duong Tien Van. Another block by Ala. Good coverage
for them.
No combination play. Got it. Boots Budin against a double block. Puts it through. Back row again. Ooh, that is for a combination that'll click. There's Leo. Oh, Dianes. Boots Budin looking for an ace. Got it. Great pass. Ibanez. Oh, blocked again. Speaking of. Oh, few knee problems, but he was part of the lineup. 4-point lead for Las Pilipinas. Make that out. Ibanez sets it up to Ramirez. Says should be very proud. Nice hit, Sanya. To Boots Budin. Challenge Cup only with 3 points. Third set. There's a block against Ramirez. So it's a chance ball here for Las Pilipinas. Boots Budin though. They would have been on top by 1. There's a nice answer. Bagunas went for it. This one, a great pass. Vietnam can put it away, and they do. Las Pilipinas. And Malambunga puts. Veloso, who is now taking care of the grassroots program. Budin firing away, and Vietnam looking for a side out. Well, it's not there. Break. Bagunas. And that'll do it.
Siguro yung sa depensa, kailangan ko lang hindi masyadong maging malikot. More on more on react, not anticipation. Hindi siya mag-anticipate, parang puro react lang sa bola. And ayun po, parang again, yung siguro dapat maging consistent ako sa energy ko inside ako. With Coach Angelino, sobrang nakakatuwa, sobrang happy ako na naging coach siya kasi siya yung coach na parang nagre-relax sa akin, siya yung parang nagmo-motivate na just play free inside the court.
Well, unang-una sa lahat, sobrang pressure ako kasi alam mo yun, yung pinalitan kong pwesto kay Kuya Brian, and itong game namin talaga ito, win or lose, lalaban namin para kay Kuya Brian talaga kasi siya yung heart and soul namin eh. So, pinagpipray talaga namin na okay yung results niya. So, yun lang. Enjoy ko naman yung pagka-start ko kasi yun lang, tagal ko hinintay yung opportunity na to. So, nabigyan na ako kahit paano. Feeling ko nag-perform ako ng maayos pero hindi pa yung 100%.
Year na CBD, 4th place, ngayon 3rd place sa first leg. Panibagong achievement, pero malayo pa yun, pero sana nakikita naman po natin, meron pa, marami pang pwede matutunan, ayun, I hope sa mga bagong coaches sa bagong system, naka-adapt agad at magamit para sa darating na Worlds next year.
Sa'yo, Mark, may update na ba tungkol sa'yo? Kailan ka makakalaro?
Balik po next year na po.